also understood the importance and vitality of a peer team. Of course, it's prominent. Now we have come to the end of the session, and I would like to give the control to the incoming program quality director, distinguished Toastmaster Aarti, to wrap it up. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, MC. The idea was for the MC to wrap it up, but we had some instructions that we'll have to carry forward tomorrow. So I had to forcefully take control from him. Couple of instructions. Today we had a club success plan, a division and area success plan that we worked on. And we also worked on a communication flow, the one that how a team works. Distinguished Toastmaster Alex took us towards that. So both these sessions had workbooks in particular. I request all of y'all to take some time to complete the workbooks. To complete the one for the team, you have time till Wednesday. It is expected that each of y'all complete that workbook by Wednesday, and you could share it to me. I will share my email ID later in the chat box. I will consolidate your responses and share it with the trainer, Distinguished Toastmaster Alex Jacob, and also Satish and Gayatri for us to review and share any insights that we have. Especially Distinguished Toastmaster Alex has promised that he would take the time to go through the responses and share his inputs. So I request all of you to take this opportunity and complete it. For the area success plan, I know people don't like it when there is homework or assignment given, but I never thought I would be muted. Thank you so much for doing that. Jokes apart, for the area and division success plan, we have a little more time. I request you all to go ahead and talk to the immediate past area directors, talk to the immediate past division directors, get their inputs and complete this entire process. Probably by next weekend, we will finish the area and success division success plan, and we will review through that. With that, I'm done with what I wanted to share as inputs, or to put a very crude term, homework for the day. But quickly, I will open the chat box for the next, let's say, 3 minutes. And we would like to hear from all of you what you liked about this session, or what is your takeaway from today. Whatever you want to share, this is your opportunity to share. Please use the chat box and share your thoughts and feeling with us. Timer, please note, red at 3 minutes. Sendil says, learned a lot, useful inputs for the incoming officers. Thank you, Sendil. Vinod Kumar, beautifully organized and structured learning program. Thank you, Vinod. Swati Devi says, well prepared and organized session for incoming officers. Thank you, Swati. Hariharan from the PR team says, very informative sessions really will be helpful for the upcoming journey with Toastmasters. Thank you. Sheshadri, whole variety of inputs, but had one underlying concept of sustainability and consistency, which meant a highly coordinated effort from all teams. Thank you. Premanand Sridhar, lessons learned are practically applicable even outside Toastmasters family. Thank you for this opportunity. You're welcome, Prem. Annie Juliet. Detailed training, much needed for the new officers, each one encouraged, which motivated. Srinivasan, good effort. All sessions were on time, which talks about overall professional approach. Camellia, good insights through online, but the networking session was brought in to provide the essence, organized program for the Toastmasters with clear goals told by every trainer. Subhashni, this is my first OTP, district OTP. Subhashni, we wish you many more district OTPs. I got to know a lot of process and procedures that will help me to start as an AD. I also got to know the people who I would be working with and who I would need to connect in case of any need. Preeti, a lot of takeaways today. Looking forward to tomorrow's program. Shivakumar, well-planned breaks to focus on the session. Thank you, Shiva. Jayendra Natraj, great day. It was informative, all geared up for serving the term. Anirudh learned in depth about each of the roles and different protocols to be followed. Dinesh, well structured, to the point. It was nearly nice for the leaders to share their bad experience. Overall program was on par with executive programs conducted by external organizations and corporates. Arna, day one of DOTP has been very successful to get our brain cells working. I take back a lot of learning from policies, process perspective, as well as one of intent and inspiration. As distinguished Toastmaster Jayakar said, I do not have a great relationship with the timing cards and the timer. I also tend to ignore the red card. Want of time and to make sure we are interactive and we keep this engagement going on. I'm going to now pass the control back to our MC of the day, Toastmaster Epiphra.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Now, we are set for this and we had a wonderful day. And to wrap it up and give a conclusion, I request the District Director, Toastmaster Satish Menon, to take control and conclude this meeting.
Thank you, Toastmaster Epiphra. Good evening, everyone. I did not ask you about the feedback for tomorrow's session for today's session, because a lot of you have already given some very detailed inputs on how you found the session today. Every DOTP session, as I mentioned, it's a learning. And for those of you who have been here before, it's a relearning and sharing of new experiences. And from morning till today, we've had multiple sessions on different topics. And if you notice, it was all taken by people who've been here and done that. So we never had someone who was taking a session who was just giving bookish knowledge. Every session that you had today was conducted by Toastmasters who have served in those roles and who have delivered in those roles. So that's what makes it even more important, because when experiences are shared, it is better that the experiences shared are live experiences which others have encountered in their career or in their life. And a DOTP training is by no means the end to everything. A lot of you are new to this entire process. And for you, it's, I would say, a pointer to where things have to move or where things have to go. For some of us who've been here for some time, this is again a re-engineering or relearning to say what all new we have to learn. So as I step out of this training after 2 days, will I become trained in everything? The answer for that is no. You will not be trained in everything, but at least you will know where to go and look. And you will know the framework with which you have to work. But as leaders, we will have to go, we'll have to kind of research that framework, learn that framework, and then work towards making our roles and responsibilities better and better. A simple thing was the district officer handbook. So that was shared in this group today. That's like a Bible of anybody who wants to be in a district officer role. It's not possible to run through that entire district officer handbook in a training. It's close to 100 odd pages. Then you have things like the policies and protocols, the club constitution, you name it. Okay, the PR branding manual. We can only give you broad guidelines in the training. How to implement it, what goes into it, it's all something that each of us has to learn. But what this training tells you is that whatever we do, we have to lead by example. I can't tell somebody like go ahead and do it and just sit in the background and say, because I'm a district officer, I will only give orders, I will not lead from the front. As an officer, you are supposed to lead from the front. And that's what this training will kind of emphasize us to do. Today's was a very great session. It encompassed a lot about the club growth part, the club retention part, and how to identify what goes into making a successful division success plan or area success plan. Tomorrow, we have a lot to talk about the club quality, the district awards, the dashboard. And at the end of it, we also have one of the most respected persons in Toastmasters International, who was an earlier president of Toastmasters International, DTM Mohammad Murad from Dubai. So he's going to kind of present us a session on what is the importance of a role of a district officer. Some of us may not know him, but he started his career off in the Dubai police. And he says that if I had stayed on, I would have retired as the head of Dubai police. But he chose to kind of quit that career and move into entrepreneurship and into Toastmasters. He's a very, if somebody has to learn leadership lessons, he's the best person to teach leadership. So we asked him when we started the DOTP, he said he was more than happy to come and speak to us. So we will be having his session tomorrow. So tomorrow is also a packed agenda. We will have this meeting room open for at least 1.5 to 2 hours. So please feel free to be here, interact with other people. Those who want to continue on discussions on their division success plan and area success plan can continue to do it. We will not be closing the meeting room. If it was a normal meeting, we would all be networking today, but we'll use this forum of Zoom to network even after the meeting. And looking forward to seeing all of you tomorrow at 9 a.m. for our second round of learning, relearning, and relearning, unlearning, and relearning is what I would call it. Thank you. All the very best. And back to you, Toastmaster Ifafra.
Thanks a lot, sir. So that's the end of the day. Thank you everyone for making it to the meeting. And we will see you tomorrow. And we will have an extraordinary day tomorrow as well. So make sure you come and participate and get the benefits out of it. Thank you, Toastmasters, for coming.
Team, thank you.